Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this property like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the property and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and here is the nearby attractions and landmarks. You can find lots of reviews and ratings online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.7, which is the exceptional. On the screen, you can find guest reviews provide etc. Room category second. Room category third. As we talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen, three categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is restaurants and guests will enjoy the beautiful surroundings. That is all except the network cards and the right remember you hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 3 p.m. and the checkout time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, check description. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new in this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel,